Stop screen recording, bro. Seriously. In 2025, you can download free HD anime clips in just a few seconds. These sites give you real HD quality. No TikTok compression, no weird filters, and no garbage quality. Let's get straight into it. First up is animeclipsraw.fr. This one is perfect if you want raw, untouched anime clips. No effects, no edits, just clean HD scenes. Pro tip, search by character or fight. To download, simply open a clip, scroll down, and hit the download button. It instantly gives you the raw file in HD quality. Next is animeworldtwixter.com. This website is amazing for Twixter-friendly clips, smooth motion, good lighting, and clean scenes. Same process. Open the clip, scroll, download in HD. Super fast, super simple. Third is ringwiththetwixter.com. This site is underrated, but the quality is insane. You get clean HD scenes from tons of anime. Click the clip and download. No pop-ups, no annoying redirects. Fourth is animeclips.online. If you want variety, this site is perfect. They upload daily, so you'll always find new scenes, new anime, and rare clips. Again, open the clip scroll, download in HD. But this time, you need to download full anime episode folder in zip format every time you download. Here you get very short clips for editing of the same episode. It's beneficial for small edits of same episode, or AMVs. Last is ringwiththeclips.com. This site has some of the best quality clips out of all 5. Most editors don't know about it yet, but trust me, the scenes here look insane. Download. Same thing. Open the clip and scroll down, then download it from the Drive or Mega. If the site gives you multiple quality options, always choose the highest one, usually 1080p or 4K. Higher quality downloads equals cleaner edits later. And that's it. 5 websites to download free HD anime clips in 2025. No screen recording, no blurry TikTok clips, just clean HD footage ready for your edits. If you're an editor, hit subscribe. I drop free HD clip websites and CapCut tutorials every week. And comment your favorite anime. I'll use it in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Now go download some clips.